came to IUP in the fall of 2005. And just like any freshman, it was a big adjustment. Being away from friends and family back in Pittsburgh made me feel homesick and alone. It wasn't until the spring semester that I finally got up the nerve to join a team. I chose Ultimate Frisbee because I played it with some friends back home and thought it would make me feel better. It was one of the best decisions of my life. The team welcomed me with open arms and made me feel at home. We were a small team at first, but over the years, we grew into a family. As a family, we became comfortable around each other. Comfortable enough to be goofy and to have fun playing the sport we love. We traveled across Pennsylvania and as far as New Jersey, playing against many schools. Throwing was not my specialty, but receiving was. Over the years, I honed my skills to become good at catching the disc and scoring points. I relied on my teammates to throw the disc where only I could get it. Most of the time, I had to jump over or reach over someone to get the disc. I used my height to my advantage. Sometimes it was difficult, and I had to chase the disc down out of the air. We did not win every game. Some schools were really good and beat us every time we played each other. Other times, it felt like we were beating ourselves. As teammates and friends, we were there to give each other support. After college, I stayed in touch with many of my friends I met on the team, and I'm still close with them today. I have to say, if I would have never joined Ultimate Frisbee, I would have never met the friends I have today and will have the rest of my life.